So in this last video, we are going to be talking about linear acceleration. And linear acceleration is the rate and change in velocity per specific unit of time an object travels in a path that is straight, it will not be linear. And acceleration, the equation for that is change in velocity over time. And another way that can be written is acceleration equals the final velocity minus the initial velocity over time. So in this scenario, we have two people on a bike, and we're going to say that the person in the back is trying to pass the person in the front. And we're going to say that they started at 0 miles per hour and accelerated for 8 seconds, getting up to a speed of 10 miles per hour. So we know that if they started at 0 miles per hour and ended at 10 miles per hour, which is the final velocity, to find the acceleration, we would do 10 miles per hour, which is the final velocity, minus 0 miles per hour, which is the initial velocity, and divide that by time, which I said was 8 seconds, would equal 1.25 meters per second squared. And that is how we would find the acceleration.